Tired of PDF files being permanent and unchangeable roadblocks? Let's unlock their potential and learn how to edit them like a pro. We'll explore two main avenues for editing PDFs: dedicated software and convenient online tools for more complex edits or frequent use. Desktop software like Adobe Acrobat Pro, Foxit Phantom PDF, or even free alternatives like PDF Exchange Editor offer robust features. With desktop software, changing existing text is straightforward. Simply select the text tool, click on the text you wish to modify, and start typing or delete. You can adjust font styles, sizes, and colors just like in a word processor. Adding or removing images is also intuitive. Look for an Add Image or Insert Object option. You can then select your image file, resize it, and position it anywhere on the page. To remove an image, simply select it and press Delete. Need to mark up your document? Most editors support annotations. You can highlight important sections, add sticky notes with comments, or even draw shapes and lines directly onto the PDF. This is perfect for reviews or collaborative work. Reorganizing your document's flow is another key capability. You can easily drag and drop pages to change their order, delete unwanted pages entirely, or even insert new blank pages or pages from other PDF files. For simpler edits or when you're on the go, online PDF editors are a fantastic option. Websites like Smolpt, I Love PDF, or Adobe's free online tools provide similar functionalities without requiring any software installation. Simply upload your PDF to the chosen online tool. You'll often find intuitive interfaces for editing text, adding images, drawing, and even combining or splitting PDFs. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who deals with documents, mastering PDF editing opens up a world of flexibility. Experiment with these tools, and you'll be confidently modifying your digital documents in no time.